Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Krishan and today we are going to convert any normal photo into the awesome photo. So keep watching this video till the end and I will let you know the step by step process how you can do it. Okay, so before going further, we will show you some photos that I clicked by my mobile phone. Okay, so this is me. Okay, this is one photo and this is second photo. I want to change these photos background, so I will let you know we can do it within 30 seconds. Yes, definitely 30 seconds. And best part is we don't need any kind of devices, no software, no hardware, anything we don't need. And even we can do it from our mobile phone as well as PC or laptop. First of all, go to the browser. You can use Chrome and Mozilla and Edge, whatever you have. So just search for this website, designify.com. This website is still not released yet, but you guys can go through the URL I will give you in the description link, so you can go through the URL. So here is the all over the background of this website. Okay, so you guys can upload that it is very simple. Automatically it will design for your photos. I mean, it is why I'm making this video, because it is 100% automatically and completely free. There is like no logo, no watermark on your photos. Okay, so just simply upload the image and then magic and then choose your design and make yourself. Okay, so I will let you know how can we do that. So we will go there. This is the image right on the desktop. So again, upload image. I will choose this image first. I will choose this one and then I will open it. Okay, within 20 seconds it will show you my designs. So it is generating the design. It will show you designs in different categories like profile category and some marketing category, like you are having some product, so you can use it. Okay, you don't need to worry about the backgrounds. So this is done within 20 to 25 seconds. This is done, but you must need a good connection. Okay, so this is so guys, here you can see the background is completely erased by it without doing any kind of editing. Okay guys, so this is the transparent background. So now I can use these designs for my profiles. So this will be used as a background, transparent. I'm not gonna use it. So you can select our normal design, whatever you want to do. Like I want sunset beach, then I will select it. So simply select it and it will show you like that. If you guys can want to be just improve it or want to be change something, so you guys can go through the edit button and here you can see it is completely looking like that. I was there and I just clicked this photo there, right? So what you will do, you guys can change it if you want. You can drag and drop your crop photo, your erased background photo, you can drag and drop anywhere, right? And you can go to the style, you can enhance the photo. If you want anything to upload an image, so you go through this add image option and like I want this one, so I will okay, so here is the image and I will edit it. So I will make it transparent as well. So there are the two photos, completely two photos for me, and you can see there are the two persons behind me and something like that. I can if you guys want to, like, you can send forward it, so it will like this. So see, both the photos are working like real, and you guys can styling for this one. See, enhance. So okay, so you guys can see the editing, whatever you want to do. So cut out, advanced, okay, anything. So here can you see everything is ready within 5 minutes and you don't need to worry. So you can just simply download it, and downloading very simply, it will automatically download it. And now I will open the downloaded file and let you know. See, there is no any kind of watermark on the photo and it is completely free with the high resolutions. So now I will go to the gallery back. I will let you know the more features about this website. So here, if you are using any product, so you don't need any solid color or solid background. You guys can put the product anywhere and can use it like that. So this is simply, this is original, this is automatically designed. If you guys like this video, so go through this website and make yourself good photos, make your awesome photos. Okay, and tell me in the comments whatever you are doing best, and then subscribe my channel. Okay, bye, see you in the next video.